In this video, I will guide you how to fix Secure Boot and TPM 2.0 error in Valorant. Press Windows plus S button and type System Information. Click System Information from the search result. Find Baseboard Product. This is your motherboard model. Note down the motherboard name. Then search for how to enter BIOS for your motherboard on any web browser. Look for the key, delete or F2 used to access BIOS. Restart your PC and spam the BIOS key, delete or F2 button as soon as the screen goes black. This will open the BIOS menu. Once inside BIOS, look for Advanced Mode or Boot options. Navigate to Boot, then Secure Boot option. Change OS type to Windows UEFI mode. Save changes and restart. Then enter BIOS again by restarting and pressing delete or F2 button. Go to Advanced Settings. Then go to AMD FTPM configuration or TPM configuration for Intel. Set FTPM switch to enabled. If TPM is missing, make sure your BIOS is updated. Search online how to update BIOS for your motherboard model. Follow the official instructions from the manufacturer. Click Exit, then Save Changes and Receipt. Confirm the changes and restart your PC. Once your system boots up, launch Valorant and see whether the issue is fixed. That's it. Now you know how to fix Secure Boot and TPM 2.0 error in Valorant. If this video helps, like, share and subscribe.